Welcome to Pro Auto Reviews, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive insights. If you're passionate about cars and want detailed analysis of the newest models, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. In this video, we're diving into the 2025 Citroën 2CV, a modern reinvention of a timeless classic. Citroën has done an exceptional job of retaining the charm and simplicity of the original 2CV while incorporating modern-day features and technology. The 2025 Citroën 2CV aims to capture the nostalgia of its predecessor while catering to the needs of today's drivers, making it a fascinating mix of tradition and innovation. Starting with the design, the 2025 Citroën 2CV maintains the iconic silhouette that made the original a cultural icon. The rounded body lines, minimalistic grille, and distinctive headlights evoke a sense of nostalgia while being refreshed for the modern era. The design has been enhanced with sleek LED lighting, lightweight materials, and a more aerodynamic shape that improves both performance and efficiency. It's a car that pays homage to its roots while looking forward to the future. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroën 2CV offers multiple powertrain options, including an efficient gasoline engine and a fully electric version. The electric variant is particularly impressive, delivering smooth performance and an impressive range suitable for city driving and short trips. With a focus on sustainability, Citroën has used recycled materials in the construction and ensured the 2CV aligns with modern environmental standards. The suspension system, inspired by the original's innovative setup, provides a comfortable and smooth ride even on uneven roads, living up to its legacy as a practical and reliable car. Inside, the 2CV's cabin is a masterclass in minimalist yet functional design. The retro-inspired dashboard features modern touches such as a digital display, advanced infotainment system, and connectivity options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Despite its compact size, the interior is surprisingly spacious, offering ample headroom and comfort for 4 passengers. Citroën has ensured that the car is not only stylish but also practical, with foldable rear seats to maximize cargo space when needed. Safety features are another area where the 2025 Citroën 2CV shines. It includes essential modern safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These additions make it a car that's as safe as it is stylish, perfect for city commuters and families alike. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is not just a car, it's a statement. It represents a seamless blend of history and innovation, offering something for everyone. Whether you're an admirer of the original or a new driver looking for a unique yet practical vehicle, the new 2CV is sure to impress. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join us here at Pro Auto Reviews as we continue to bring you the best in automotive reviews and insights. Your support means the world to us, so stay tuned for more and we'll see you in the next video.